The argument that this is no big deal, that some of the justices, the liberal justices, tried to advance, this just didn't make any sense. I mean, here, contrast the difference between what you heard from a couple of the liberal justices, like Ruth Bader Ginsburg, extolling the potential benefits of the bill. This will be good for people. It's good health care policy, which is neither here nor there when you're a Supreme Court justice and your job is not to decide what would be good health policy, but simply to decide what complies with the Constitution. So that was the arguments, for the most part, you got from the Supreme Court justices predisposed to support Obamacare's constitutionality. And from the other justices, and in particular the swing vote, Anthony Kennedy, what you got were some very interesting, searching, difficult questions. If we said that this is constitutional, what isn't? I mean, basically, where do we draw the line? Give me some explanation as to how you would distinguish a health benefit from other benefits. That's the kind of issue that the court's supposed to be talking about, not whether it would be a good idea for 25-year-olds to stay on their parents' health plan. It might be a good idea, but that doesn't have anything to do with the constitutionality of the bill. And so I was struck by the fact that the members of the Supreme Court who appear to be predisposed towards upholding Obamacare are trying essentially a political argument. How can we say no to such a great bill? And the justices on the other side, or potentially on the other side, seem to be asking these tough questions about, regardless of what you think of the substance of the legislation as far as health care policy, does the federal government possess the amount of power it would take to order people to buy commercial health insurance approved by the federal government? And if they have that power, where does it stop? That's the question here. It's not really about health care. It's about the enumerated powers of the federal government.